How do I sync my iPhone to my iPad? The good news is that you can keep a lot of your information in sync between your devices using Mobikin Transfer for Mobile, Tunes, iCloud, AirDrop, etc. And this tutorial will tell you how to carry out these approaches in a few simple steps. Number 1. How to sync iPhone and iPad with Transfer for Mobile. How do I link my iPhone to my iPad via USB and then copy data across? Mobikin Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac makes it easy for you to get your devices connected before moving files over in one click. This tool is designed for data transfer between mobile phones with the same or different OS. It's pretty easy to connect and can help you migrate content quickly and securely. How to sync my iPhone to my iPad directly with Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Open the program and link to iDevices. Step 2. Confirm the source and destination device. Step 3. Sync my iPhone to my iPad. Number 2. How to sync iPhone to iPad via iTunes on your computer. You can transfer data from iPhone to iPad, including apps, music, TV shows, podcasts, movies, and photos. After the sync, all data on your iPad will be replaced by the data from the iTunes library. Number 3. How to sync iPhone to iPad directly via iTunes on your iDevices. To sync your iPad to iPad via iTunes on your devices, you don't even have to pair iPhone with iPad manually, but you have to activate the iTunes Wi-Fi option and ensure a strong network connection. Number 4. How to sync iPhone with iPad via iCloud. If you're having trouble using USB cables right now, you may be concerned about how to sync iPad and iPhone together wirelessly. Well, you can use iCloud to fix how to clone iPhone to iPad with ease. Number 5. How to transfer from iPhone to iPad by AirDrop. Before transferring data from iPhone to iPad with AirDrop, you merely need to keep the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on both the sender and receiver. Yet, this feature won't allow you to transfer everything from iPhone to iPad.